See, because of the way we sharpen, I'd be inclined to use the outside stops.
Yeah, okay.
Just because that's the
You
way
can,
it's
yeah.
Yep. Absolutely.
So this is the second blade.
Snug down. So I made sure I was backed off. I'm gonna do a visual check. I gotta back it off much more. So I'm gonna just go back and forth. And I'm gonna slowly, visually bring it close. There may be an instance where I will tweak the skew a little bit, depending on the blade. You know, if for some reason the blades aren't exact, and I don't want to remove more material, it won't really affect the skater.
So if the boot is really big, can you adjust the height there?
No, you basically have to like loosen the market and loosen.
Okay. Okay. What size boots do you wear? Are those yours?
Yeah, these are like 11 and a half.
Okay.
I think it's like a 42. All right, I'll turn the grinder on.
To zero.
Yeah, I got so that's 0.4.
So when you're putting it in, it can't go beyond zero once you've got it. Let's
it
the second
can.
one.
You'll see it go negative.
So how do you make sure that you stop it? You have to be watching to make sure. Okay.
Like if I zero it out and then I turn it more, you can see there's a negative.
Okay, so you can screw it up.
Yeah, but
like you can go
so
too
slow.
Yeah.
Unless you don't see a negative.
Right. Yeah.
In a sense, when you use that jig to sharpen, you don't really have to be at zero because you're referencing the edge of the blade, so they're both
Right.
are going to be the same.
Right.
So it'll be interesting, like when you bottom reference. I mean, the blades have to be the same length from the bottom.
Yes, they're the same height. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying is that you have to reference to 0, and then you can't change the skew. You gotta keep the skew the same, otherwise you're gonna end up with one blade longer than the other, and then you sharpen it like that.
Right. So that's something. One thing I do when I get people's blades, like I sort of
Profile of
yeah,
the skater.
sort of like I sort of write down the skew and then the template that was used.
Right.
I indicate a template, the skew that was used, the person's name, how much I removed. So just
Right. So it's documentation. Right.
Yeah, 2008.
Couple years ago.
So
That's great.
Okay, so let me take this one out. And then I'll just show you sort of the hand adjustment. And I'll use this. Just bring it close. Like that. And, like sort of a mark that I made with the time.
Oh,
I'll turn on the
to round
grinder.
off the.
Turn on the grinder. The grinding stone just smooth it out.
Do you find that burns the blade at all?
Oh, you can burn the blade
yeah,
if
you
you're
can.
too aggressive.
Too much pressure, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I was just like really light. Just like,
Yeah. Okay. I guess with this guide, it's pretty cool that you've got a guide because we just do it on a regular. Yeah, because we just do it on just a grinding stone.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. That's good. That's great.
Any questions at this point? I mean, the rest of it is like stuff you do all the time.
Yeah. I don't think so. I think your overview is great.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. No.